Welcome to Endeavor Africa. Today I'm going to show how to do time attendance by using TA Master. First we need to enter company name, username, and password, then click on Login. This is a dashboard of TA Master. You will get all the details here, like present, absent, late in, early out, date-wise hours worked report, company-wise attendance status, and many more. For more details, click on this and you will get all the details, like who is present, who is absent, late in, early out, and many more. The time attendance is an application which is usually purely for attendance. It captures the daily in out for the people who are clocking in when they're coming into the company and clocking out when going home in the evening. First we need to go menu, then general setup, and then click on company profile. Here you can add your company name, PIN number, NHIF number, NSSF number, license number, and many more things. And then click on Save. Then we have reporting configuration. Here we can add reporting module, transaction type, and report flow. Select data according to your requirement. And then click on Save. Then we have email setting. In email setting, we have sent automatic email to employee. For example, if an employee come late in office, then automatic email send to employee. We can also send email to HR, reporting manager, and also we send an email to specific person from outside of organization. And then click on Save. Then we have TA reporting structure. Here we can set up reporting structure, employee-wise and department-wise. And then click on Save. In configuration option you can configure leave settings, employee setting, TA general setting, attendance device setup, day-wise week off, and date-wise week off. In security user roles, you can set user rights, like which role and rights you want to give employee. Then go to security, and then users, you see user information like user role and product rights. Then we have theme setup. You can set theme according to you. You can change theme name, menu font, menu background color, heading color, and many more. Then we cover our main topic, time and attendance. If you want to know more about our employee, leave and master menu, then please watch our Enquest HCM video. First go to menu, then time and attendance, then shift schedule management. We can set shift to every single employee. Here we can assign multiple shifts. Can be on different days, weeks, or for different months as and when required. Then we have OT authorization. In OT authorization, we have settings that, if company don't give OT, then we disable the setting. If company give OT, then enable setting. We also provide OT settings for individual person. We have overtime 1 and overtime 2. Overtimes are used when an employee has worked for more than the required. Let's say you have to work for 8 hours per day. Those extra hours you get become overtime 1, and 2 come in when you work weekly and on holidays. So when we make them applicable, we'll have to click them to enable them to be active for it to take effect on your application or the payroll, if you have any payroll integrated into the time and attendance. Then we have outstation visit. In outstation visit option, suppose employee are going to outside city or state for company work, then they can't log in or log out. So there's form employee can fill up form like entry date, employee name, from date to date, and description, and system can automatic make present for those days. Then we have time off. In time off, suppose we are going outside the company for 2 to 3 hours, for some company work in the same day, so we can enter details in this time off request. If the employee is going out for some personal work, in that case we mention the reason in this time off request. We have Reason Master, so the system decides with the help of Reason Master whether we cut hours or not. Then we have Process Attendance Data. In Process Attendance Data, if you want to reprocess your attendance data according to employee time, OT, and pay hour, you can do that. By default, the system processes data at runtime. Then we have Attendance Register. In Attendance Register, we can see employee clock in, clock out, shift time, lost hours, and, if any, comments. You can change the status color as per your requirement. Then we have Pass Data to Payroll. Pass Data and Payroll system can calculate all your data like your total working hours, OT count, and present days, absent days, lost hours, early and late arrival, and then pass all the data to process the payroll. Then we have Compensatory Off-Posting. Compensatory off-posting will work only if you have HR product also. In compensatory off-posting, suppose an employee works on holidays or weekly off. So the employee get pay and also get a PL. In a time change request, if an employee forgets to clock in or clock out, they raises a time change request for the same. Select employee, then select the clock in or clock out, and enter your clock in or clock time, then after enter the reason and save. Click on the menu, go to the employee, and click on Employee Information. Select any one employee. Then after clicking on Details, then TA Details. Here we can set time attendance details for employee. We can set overtime that we gave employee or not, and swipe type. We set employee shift time, how much overtime allocate to employee, employee weekly working hours and monthly working hours. We can also set working hours as a day-wise.